cyclists. This is Rick. Today is Saturday, March the 4th, 2023. Started a bike ride at 20 minutes after 11. Waiting for the temperature to warm up. While I was waiting, I watched the men's and women's Strade Bianche races from Tuscany. A lot of gravel, white gravel. Today I'm riding my Cervelo Caledonia bike. After yesterday's episode with the screw, after I got home, we ended up replacing the rear tube and the rear tire. So both are new. Hopefully I don't have the incident, any problems like I did yesterday. Today's weather, 70 degrees. Wind is variable. Clear. Humidity is about 48%. Could get up to 80 degrees today. Today's route, I'm going to go south through Atascocita to FM 1960, east over Lake Houston, Fair Lake Lane, Old Atascocita Road, FM 2100 south to Spanish Cove, then back north to FM 1960, and then west over the lake. And I'm going to go left, south through Walden, and then back to Kingwood. Try to get me back on pace to reach my 650 mile goal for the month of March. Riding southeast on Cedar Knolls Drive, Kings Forest. I was thinking about last Saturday's bike ride when I was in Harlingen riding the Jalapeno 100. A whole lot more windier than today. And the temperature was about 15, 18 degrees warmer. I'm gonna turn right onto Woods Estates Drive. 6.4 miles. Time's 11:52. I'm on Rocky Woods Drive, looking at all the azalea blooms up ahead at this corner. And just bountiful azalea blooms. Pink. Guess we'll call that red. Riding south over the San Jacinto River, Lake Houston, on West Lake Houston Parkway. Coming up on Kings River Drive, where I'll turn left. That'll take me to that and Atascocita Shores Drive will take me to FM 1960. 11.3 miles. Time is 16 minutes after 12. Riding east on Kings River Drive, another cyclist just passed me going the opposite direction. After yesterday's bike ride, after getting a lift home, I was putting the front wheel on my Cervelo bike, and there's another cyclist. And the front disc brake was rubbing. Maybe when I put the bike in the car, I hit the brake lever and it moved the pistons. So on the way back home, I'm gonna stop at Kingwood Bicycles and see if they can adjust it. 4.2 miles, 20 minutes after 12. Another cyclist. Our timing was so that he was behind a tree. I'm on the Atascocita shores, not too far from FM 1960. Atascocita shores and FM 1960. I'm going to turn left, go across the lake. That's what the construction looks like to the west, to the east. Just riding past the church parking lot on Fair Lake Lane. One car with a bike rack on the back. Might signal there's a cyclist out ahead somewhere. Riding south on FM 2100 on my way to Spanish Cove Drive, where I'll make a U-turn. The traffic light up ahead. Riding west over Lake Houston. There's a boater out. Wind's not too bad. Not sure which direction it's coming from. Riding through Walden at Lake Houston. Riding south on Vantage View Lane. Circling around to Pinehurst Trail Drive, which will take me to FM 1960. I'll cross over there and then continue on north back to Kingwood. 26.5 miles, 20 minutes after 1. Riding beside West Lake Houston Parkway, headed north. YMCA's to my right. 32.1 miles. Time is 46 minutes after 1. Riding north on Deerbrook Drive in Hunter's Ridge, back in Kingwood. Stopped at Kingwood Bicycles. They adjusted. Mechanic there. Fixed my front brake. It's not rubbing and screeching as I come to a stop or apply the brakes. 34.6 miles. Time is 17 minutes after 2. Not too far from ending the ride, about a mile away.